Okay, this video is becoming part of the demonstration of how um, we, as a defender, to monitoring or detecting or investigating or threat hunting of possible beacons from Cobalt Strike. I'm lucky for some people who provide me an environment of a corrected version of Cobalt Strike. Please note that this is not the appropriate way to do the evaluation on how to do the reverse engineering of the beacon and everything. Um, but I think it will be one of the way we have to experience how powerful of the post exploitation framework Cobalt Strike is working. So let us start checking the stuff. Okay, let me kickstart the Cobalt Strike client. Oops, a different version of it. I think this one should be the Cobalt Strike client. So let me minimize the other command right here. So once it starts, we need to accept everything default, change the username, went to whatever. When we start the Cobalt Strike, I have different version activate evaluation before. So I got the some kind of event up. So now we go to the actually I before that I create a beacon for reverse engineering testing. Now I'm using another version try to get the Cobalt Strike beacon being injected in the PowerShell. So uh, yeah, I create a copy of the PowerShell and then paste the command right here. Uh, I keep on minimizing it. I don't need to check it, and you will see that Cobalt Strike already uh, reporting to become reporting to the team server. So first of all, I would like to create because Cobalt Strike do have a standard sleeping time for 1 minute. I want to speed up everything. I change every instant of the beacon connection to 5 seconds. I create this with a node called PowerShell. Then I create some color about in yellow. Okay. So let me first test how the functionality of the Cobalt Strike, and then we can see what happened in the uh, infected system. So interact is the command line that I can control the Cobalt Strike through the beacon. I mean, control the beacon on the victim machine. So I can type help to find the help key. I'm not an experienced user in the Cobalt Strike. How about I just use the function provided by the GUI interface. Try to dump the hash. So I got the hash. Right now we have 4 accounts, 5 accounts right there. And then I try to run some other things such as the our golden ticket, see if I can do it. I find rent two, users rent two, domain, don't know the domain name. Um, about if I don't use the seed number. Okay, forget this. I don't do this option. Then uh, 1 minute meet cursor. See, because I set the time already 5 seconds, come out with the mimikatz executed, and then try to create another spawn as another process. Uh, right now, I think I'm in the PowerShell process. Have been the beacon has been injected by downloading um, um, from the web server that I host in this Ubuntu system. I need to test whether if I can spawn another process on the victim machine, which is Windows 10, and see what kind of system it will create the new process, and then we run and inject the beacon into the same newly created process. I picked up the listener. I create two listener. One listener is a VM HTTP. So wait for a second. Now you can see that I have a new process called out22 DLL 132 has been created process. Let me change the sleep time for 5 seconds and then change the name, the node as the run DLL32. Okay, so I give a color right here. Run DLL32 about I use the green. And then how about I interact with this one? So I can do some other thing out or whatever. I have two sections right here, different. This is a PID number. Now let me try to run another one. Create another one as spawn as from the 133 DLL. So now I have been provided with the some basic information. User ran to the password is pass one word, and then we can use the domain right here. And then listener, I find the same thing. Now I believe a newly created another one created process called 132 DLL will be created. Now you will see I'm correct. I also mark it as a green color so that I won't mix up, and then give change in the speed in the 5 seconds to speed up the recording. Keep a note as the spawn as. Okay, so I have three beacon, active beacon, with one is for interactive, one is the long haul, short haul, whatever the feature provided, but I just keep it as normal. So now we can do some more thing to do the on the new recreate spawn as option to um, to see whether I have some more activity we can do. I can start the file browser. You see all the sleep need to change in how many seconds so that the victim beacon need to be activated. So then it's 10 folder is not good. I want it to be in the C folder. Yeah. If I want to go to user, And I remember it's Win2. So it should be the local one. See if I can interact by using this uh, newly created form as beacon. Uh, as I do it before, so I shut down one of them and then see whether, oh yeah, I need to interact with them. So how about I want to check my command, type of command, local location. I remember suppose that the shell command should be shell command. Okay, shell dir. I want to check whether I do have a shell to check this. I'm in the temp folder, so well, I change it to in the I change it to temp folder. Yeah, okay. So now I have three versions of beacon on my system. Um, how about do some other command prompt right here? So I'll go back to the original one with 7224. And if I want to create a notepad in the Win10 machine, the new process. Okay. So then I go back to my files folder and the beacon, and then now I would like to assess what is the process status. File browser process list and start a process list. I want to find see whether I can inject another beacon into the notepad. So I can have four different versions or four copy of the beacon activated on the system. So let me check init. I don't need to see it. I want to check with the notepad. Yeah, 880, a good number. Okay, so let me do an inject of the command. Try to inject the beacon into the 880. How to do that? I don't know. Let me try help inject. Okay, the command is inject 8464 listener. What is the listener? So I want to check my listener's name, VM HTTP. So what I have to do is try to inject X0, X64, VM HTTP. See whether I got another newly created version in the notepad. Wait for 5 seconds. Cool, I got the new one. I got the new one, and it's notepad. And I need this to be still 5 seconds to save me some time. And how about mark the color into blue? So now I have four versions of the beacon. So I'll go back to the original one, see what file I can. I want to upload a file um, to the vector machine. So let me check what happened, what files I am having in my system. Yeah, it seems I am in the temp folder. So can I check? Can I do the upload right here? Screenshot, process list. Oh, I can also do the post scan. Now, try the ICMP one. So I go to another one, try to do some other activity. Different column. Oh, I remember. Like if I go to file, I suppose be able to upload something. Now I'm checking the folder from the desktop, download picture, template, activity report. Oh, this is my Ubuntu system. Let me try to upload the activity report to the Windows 10 system. I don't see anything right here. See if I can find the Win10. What is the name of the report? Where is the report? Or the report is the default user. Don't know. Let me go to the virtual machine. Where is the file store in tab? Yeah, the tab do have the activity report. Oh, if I refresh here, I should be able to see the activity report. Okay, I finished most of the function, some basic function that I have performed by using different icon on my Windows 10 machine. Now, let me do one more thing. For example, I want to check my output of my dumping of the HTTP scan. Yeah, I found a couple of the HTTP, I mean the um, ICMP post scanning with 994.443.139.135 on the Windows 10 Windows system. Now let me go back to Windows system. I try to make some collection. So if I turn on the process sort of process hacker, see anything happen. I don't see any special thing happen. I shut down the termination tree, and I have to DLL32. I have one notepad. Let me check the notepad process information first, see if I can find any handle or whatever they have interesting thing right here. I have the ALCP port string, I have keys, different threads, mutant. Do I have name pipe? No. Suppose I'd be able to find name pipe maybe in some other location. Then I go to the module. You see quite a lot of the API call using. If I do a sorting from the protection and write execute, see if I can find some interesting thing right here to identify that is the yeah, this two is quite suspicious. Maybe they are the Cobalt Strike. Yeah, maybe that's Cobalt Strike default. I try to dump one of them, see whether I can have the record. I create these in new folder called output. Yeah, new folder called output. Then I dump one of them. Now let me run different kind of tool. As I think I have installed it. Do I have installed the command of the yeah, I forgot to run the Aurora. Let me kickstart the Aurora. This is one of the tool that I have been using. I just download from Foreign Roof website to try the Aurora Lite function. So let me start the agent 64. with install function. Yeah, I think that is important so that I can have the log, uh, activity log to be recorded right there. Now, let me go back here, do some more activity on any one of them. In that, now let me help, type help, show, help. Okay, the show tree. Uh, I have activity report. So can I rename it or copy? Activity report. Okay. Like the take copy this file as new file. Yeah. It works. Now see if I can use some other to do the net wheel. See any network activity right here, and then see whether I can try to do post scan process these screenshot section. Let me try to find it. Um, one liner, whatever one liner. If I do this, what happened? Oh, that is the way how I create another run surface. Now I go back to see whether I have the Aurora Lite configured properly. Aurora is recording in the Win event now, event viewer on the application now. At the time, I may be able to do a scan. Yeah, Aurora source is right there. So I can do a scan. Let me do a scan. What kind of scan I can do? For example, I go to the command prompt. Let me go to the Thor-lite. What I have to do is try to run Thor-lite 64. Yeah, try to put try to scan the Thor-lite from the path of users topic, and then do a quick scan, then go to output to see cam or output. Let me just make sure I don't want to scan other cam folder. Just go to cam folder, output, see whether it is running or not. Okay, it worked. Now let me try the Hollow Hunter. Open another command prompt, go to tools, and then go to call Hollow Hunters. Actually, Hollow Hunter will call the Pe-Sieve, but I just want to test it just like as if they are separate tool, because Hollow Hunter to provide a more easy thing. Maybe I go to the log here, the scan, see whether we can find the in the memory see if we can find four beacon have been identified and put it in the output. Try to scan different kind of things. We have two versions of TTL. If I want to scan 4988 of these process, let me using the these CT to code. If I type in the Sieve 64, what how to use it? Okay. When I go up, and I believe I must have to provide a PID. Then let me try the PID. PID was the number of this 4988 for 4988 to do a scan, and then yeah, just output on the current location. So I got two suspicious. See whether I can get a report from the folder. So I go to the tools, go see if I got 4988 stuff right here. I got DLL and JSON output. So I copy this, move this to the output. That is the place that I want to extract from my infected system, and then see if finish, then see if I can find some other finish. I want to find the hollow, the hollow hunter. I got locked and thumbs. I copy this to my folder in output. That I'll make move it, cut it, put it in output. So now I can close this one, and then what I have to do. I'm still working on the Thor-lite. Yeah, there's some other tool I also want to or I also want to run, that is Hayabusa. There is should be two Hayabusa. Yeah. How to type the Hayabusa? Hayabusa, and then the help. Okay. Try this out. I want the CSV format, and I type the CSV timeline, um, or maybe I just need the option of the option, and then what an option directory, and then file, output file, and analysis. So I type the CSV timeline with the directory to where is the log, the Windows System 32, System 32, and then Win event log. Yeah, all the log I need to scan, and the output to temp folder with the name of Hayabusa. This CSV should be correct. I'm not sure, but try this one. Now I do have an option to find which version, 1, 2, 3. Let me try 3. Don't try all, maybe too much time. Do I need to find the Sysmon rules? Yes, whenever, because my VM already, I mean the Windows 10 already installed with Sysmon. Sometimes Sysmon do have some activity right here. Actually, I should also turn on the process monitor to keep track of this. Thor-lite complete scan, then I go to Thor-lite to collect some information. Thor-lite, okay. Uh, Thor-lite scan complete, where is the output? Yeah, the scan right here, is it? Oh, maybe I already referred to output, isn't it? Yes, these two files is coming from Thor-lite. This is from the file MD5, Hollow Hunter, and the dump. This is from the Pe-Sieve. Then I'm still waiting for the information from the Hayabusa. Now maybe this is a good time for stop recording to save your time, and then I will turn on my recording later on. Okay, doing this the scan, I think I might need to kickstart the sys monitor and then we do some activity and create another inject another process right there, maybe so that we can have some interesting come out recorded by the process explorer process monitor. Now I kickstart another notepad as best. Okay, I think this new process created, then I need to see the notepad first, right there, 3704, and then I turn on the process explore process monitor. Process monitor, then what if I turn on the yeah, I just turn on the no bin. And then minimize it, and try to go to the team server. I'll create injection on the I'll go from notepad to do an injection to the interact with this one. Try to inject. Yeah. Okay, inject. PID is 3704. 3704. Now this time see if I can use 86 VM in PTP. Can't inject API. I need to use 64. Now, happens coming in. So speed 5 seconds. Then try to rename it as notepad plus. Give some color right there, yellow, gray, red. Now see if I can interact with this one. Type the shell. How about I let me run the shell one like that. Does it work? Oh, so uh, long time. Oh, a new notepad comes out from the new notepad principles under there's a new notepad without PPID. Interesting. So go back to see whether Hayabusa complete, and we see that right now we have 8 nameplate classified, uh, Cobalt Strike, and then Purple Shot identified, Defender identified, some other things right here. I should be able to find the log inside the temp folder. So, Hayabusa CSV, not the output, not the output folder. Oh, maybe I'll type wrong here. The size of the Hayabusa is quite big, so I need to move it to the output. Now, see if I can capture this everything and copy and put it into Notepad. And then I would like to using what kind of format of web. Can I change into not window format? Save as not ANSI, Unigo, and the put it output, Hayabusa, Hayabusa output. Okay, so I have this new file. It doesn't care about this output and everything. I may also need the some other things. Goes down to system, for example. Okay, goes one of them. See whether there's some changes right here. And then I may need the Windows even not system 32, system 32, even um, to submit upload a file or try to using the new Express to spawn another one. Spawn using this one because I'm in the environment of turn on the system monitor. I want to see whether I can use system monitor to monitor this activity. And then, yeah, so I have created the Win10 now, copy and cut and copy and put it into the output folder, output folder, output folder, output folder. So I keep everything right here. And then, yeah, it's quite good enough. Let me save the process. I mean, the stop the error bin so that I can have the complete process monitor log and also put inside this environment. Then I can stop recording and share out all the output to allow everyone to use your tool to identify what happened in the past hour. See whether you can identify them or not. So you'll be able to copy the process monitor log, this new one, should be this one, to the output. So now in the output, I have quite a lot of stuff right here. Let me save it and send out to um, the drag it out to my host machine. And the record is finished. So I hope you enjoy this demo on how to using Cobalt Strike on the vector machine.